A few days ago, I uploaded a video to YouTube showcasing my homegrown Linux voice automation tool known as Tempest, and I was surprised by the overwhelming amount of positive feedback that I received. I knew I had to do something. That's right, I played Ghost Runner. Just kidding. I fixed a bunch of issues, adding the ability to bind commands to keywords. But I also played Ghost Runner. Yeah, I know. I added the ability to bind keystrokes and send them through U-input without the most basic ability to run a command directly. With that aside, allow me to give you a tour of setting this up on your system. First, go to github.com/lavafroth/tempest. You should find a list of dependencies on this page. You can install these packages through your package manager, but keep in mind that the names of these packages might vary from distro to distro. You might also have to add your user to the U-input or the input group depending upon if you're running Wayland or Xorg. You can do this by using the usermod command, but it might vary for your distro. An alternative is to use Nix, which is how I officially manage these dependencies. Nix can be installed on any machine, and after enabling Nix Flex, you can run Nix develop to land into a dev shell which has all the dependencies installed. Okay, assuming that you've installed all the dependencies or that you're opting for the Nix route, go ahead and clone this repository by running git clone followed by the URL to this repository. Now change into the directory of the repository. If you had opted for using Nix, this is the time to run Nix develop. Download the April model that's linked in the repository's README. Still with me? Great, because this is going to be the most important part of this video. Open the config.yaml file in your favorite text editor. Set the model path to point to the location of the downloaded April model. You can also change the wake phrase and the rest phrase. For example, you can set the wake phrase to hello friend and set the rest phrase to goodbye friend. Or you can also set the wake phrase to OK Google if you're being a masochist. Under the actions section, you can define a phrase and the corresponding keys to be pressed or the command to be ran. You can use the examples in the config as a reference to write your own actions. Finally, there are some experimental configs to integrate Ollama with Tempest. If you want to use this, you can have an Ollama server running and then use the word listen to trigger Tempest to use Ollama. We're closing the finishing line, so after saving and quitting from our config file, go back to the project directory and run cargo run. So there you have it, your very own offline customizable Linux voice assistant. All you gotta do is say the wake phrase and play around. Please file any issues onto the repository's issues tab. And if you want to help me convert the C foreign function interface to pure Rust, I'd really appreciate that. But until then, Copilot? More like copium, am I right?